Don't miss these valuable business opportunities. Now you can view government and private sector as well as supplier registration information for free, all in one place. Log in to BtoB.lk hybrid marketplace.
Select tenders from the navigation bar and click it. You will then be directed to the mytender.lk website. On this web page, you can search for government and private sector tenders as well as supplier registrations. You can also browse by category and filter tenders by date. Now, under vendor type, select government tenders. Next, choose agricultural equipment as the category. Keep the date option set to all days and click search. You can see the available agriculture related tenders. The first listing is titled Tender for Purchasing Agricultural Equipment. You can also see how many days remain before the tender closes. This example, 18 days are remaining. To view the tender, click View. You will then be taken to the relevant tender page, where you can review the tender information. You can share the tender through WhatsApp or download it. Based on the provided information, you can then apply for the tender.
View government and private sector tenders as well as supplier registrations free of charge. Visit BtoB.lk tenders and log in today. Be smart, find it fast.